Hey guys, I'm Prashant Singh and you're watching Tech AtoZ, and this is a very short video. It's a quick one. I'm recording outside, so there could be some noise and stuff, more than desirable, but please bear with me. It's a very short video. So basically I've unboxed a USB sound card, Quantum USB sound card. The brand was Quantum. It was very cheap, like I think it was less than 100 rupees basically, or maybe a little bit more than 100 rupees. I'll mention the price here. So I did the unboxing, and a lot of people are asking in the comments and stuff on social media, on my social media pages, that what happened with that, why didn't you give review of that? Because I said that I'll give you a review, but if you follow the channel, I generally don't make a lot of video. I'm not very consistent, but another reason was that it was so bad that I didn't know that what will I do with it, what will I tell you in the review. And I made this video just to tell you that don't buy that sound card. I'll mention sound card here. Don't ever buy that. If you want to buy that and try it for yourself because it's so cheap, I'll give you the links in description, but don't buy it. It's a garbage. Basically it will plug into your phone. It will the LED light that indicates that it's working turns on, and when you plug in headphone, the sound, you can hear the sound in headphone. Then you will plug in mic, you can get the input. But there was a lot of electromagnetic interference constant. There was like this sound, and it was constant. And also the connection to your phone, basically it was breaking off a lot, so that was problem. Overall, bad build too. It was like the housing that it was, the whole module was in the plastic housing. That housing was very flimsy, and it was not like closed properly. It kept opening up, and a lot of problems. Basically it was useless for me, and after like few days, probably a week or 10 days of using, it just broke off. So yeah, don't buy it. So this was the video basically, and I don't know what to tell you. I normally tell you at the end of the video, I ask you to like, dislike, or subscribe the channel, but I don't know what to tell you about this video. You can like it, you can go and press like button, and all I'd say, just subscribe for more videos, and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos. So I hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck.